This is still Tropical Storm Mellisa. Again, it is expected to become a hurricane later on Saturday. 90-mile-per-hour storm by 8 o'clock in the evening, maybe even earlier than that, likely becoming a hurricane. And then this is where it gets concerning. And I'm not so sure that the messaging from officials in Jamaica, from what I saw last night, is a little concerning. Again, yes, the core is going to stay south of the island initially. This is going to be a slow-moving, long-duration rainfall event and then eventually wind event for the island of Jamaica. You see it there by Monday morning, maybe as early as Sunday night, getting to Category 4 strength, potentially Category 5 strength. A Category 5 starts at 157 miles an hour. You see the official forecast is 155 miles an hour south of the island of Jamaica. Some quote-unquote weakening occurs as it approaches the island, expected to make landfall or be close to the island as a Category 4 hurricane. Again, Category 3 Hurricane Gilbert made landfall just south of Kingston, coming in from east to west. This is coming in from south to north, right smack dab in the central part of the island. Again, there is the cone for a reason. For some forecast error, it may try to trend a little bit further to the east, but regardless, rainfall is going to be a significant threat, potentially feet. We'll take a look at that with wind gusts over 100 miles an hour. This is the official forecast from the Hurricane Center, the probabilistic forecast of tropical storm force winds that's greater than 40 miles an hour, sustained. Again, that is sustained winds, not gusts. You see that purple color? That is a pretty much certainty for Jamaica and a very high probability, of course, for the eastern tip of Cuba, the southeastern tip of Cuba.